All right, this is number 1, and we're looking at each tape diagram and seeing what the equation matches up with. So the first one is 4 plus x is 12, and you can see in the first diagram on the left, A, we're adding 4 and x equals 12. So we're going to put A for that one. The next one is 12 divided by 4. Well, on B, you can see that 12 is split up into 4 pieces. So 12 divided by 4, and each piece is x. The third one is 4 times x. Well, if we look at B, we're actually multiplying x 4 times, and that will equal 12. So that is B. The following one is 12 equals 4 plus x, and that goes with A, since we're adding the 4 and the x. The next one is 12 minus x equals 4. That's also A. We're just undoing the total and subtracting an x, and that will leave us 4. The next one is 12 equals 4 times x. Well, when we're multiplying, that's B. And notice we have 4 x's there, and we're multiplying 4 times the x. The following one is 12 minus 4 is x. That's the first one, A. 12 is the whole. Taking away 4 will leave us the x. The next one is x equals 12 minus 4. That's also A. It's subtraction. You're taking away the 4 and you're leaving with x. And the last one is x plus x plus x plus x, and that's repeated addition, and repeated addition is multiplication. So that one goes with B.